Sentence making with have been in English. The birds have been singing all day. The birds have been singing all day. We have been traveling around the country. We have been traveling around the country. They have been dancing at every party. They have been dancing at every party. I have been to London. I have been to London. He could have been a doctor. He could have been a doctor. I have been to China 4 times. I have been to China 4 times. I have been studying for the exam. I have been studying for the exam. Prices have been rising since last year. Prices have been rising since last year. I have been telling everyone to shut up. I have been telling everyone to shut up. They have been staring at squirrels for an hour. They have been staring at squirrels for an hour. I have been painting this picture since Tuesday. I have been painting this picture since Tuesday. You have been telling a lie. You have been telling a lie. They have been playing football. They have been playing football. We have been believing this news. We have been believing this news. I have been driving a car for 10 years. I have been driving a car for 10 years. They won't have been married by next year. They won't have been married by next year. I have been eating healthy food. I have been eating healthy food. I have been waiting for your call. I have been waiting for your call. They have been practicing for the concert. They have been practicing for the concert. The accounts have been audited. The accounts have been audited. I have been working for 3 hours. I have been working for 3 hours. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.